we guide you through how to create an invoice in Wise. So the first thing you need to do is to log in to your Wise account, then go to the Payments or Send section and select Create Invoice if available, or use the Request a Payment feature, which works the same way for invoicing. Next, enter your client's email, full name, and the amount you want to charge. Then, choose the correct currency and add a clear description of the service or products so your clients understand exactly what they are paying for. After that, set a due date if needed and double-check all details to avoid mistakes. You can also include notes or reference numbers for better tracking. Once everything is complete, click Send and Wise will deliver the invoice directly to your client's email with payments instructions. And finally, monitor the payment status inside your Wise dashboard so you'll know once it's paid.